Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.16. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 0.79%. This amounts to an average return of 0.26% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 6.92% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 24.15% and negative 6.92%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 6.06%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 9.66% to positive 12.21% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $487.89 and $605.96. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up 0.117% on Wednesday. The VOO ETF price gained 0.117% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025. It rose from $539.40 to $540.03. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if a slight pause occurs in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.583%, with a low of $538.26 and a high of $541.40. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.94% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.69 billion. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 4.23% or $23.87 below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Coinbase Global is set to join the S&P 500 on the 19th of May, marking a significant milestone for the cryptocurrency industry. This addition elevates Coinbase to the forefront as the first pure-play crypto stock within the index. The company's CEO Brian Armstrong emphasizes that this development signals the establishment of cryptocurrency in mainstream finance. Analysts are responding positively, with a notable upgrade in Coinbase's price target from $260 to $300, suggesting strong institutional investor interest. This upward momentum can bolster investor confidence in other technology and financial services sectors, including exchange-traded funds like VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. As the S&P 500 has recently erased its earlier losses, analysts express bullish sentiments regarding its upward trajectory. The demand for index-based investments might increase, further supporting VOO's performance. Additionally, the surge in initial public offering market activity, especially in fintech, may leverage broader market sentiment and investor engagement, potentially enhancing VOO's appeal, particularly among passive investors. Moreover, a temporary trade truce between the United States and China has uplifted market forecasts, indicating a more favorable trading environment that could boost overall investor sentiment toward equities. In the short term, these factors may lead to an increase in VOO's price, while long-term implications could revolve around a sustainable rally. potentially solidifying VOO as a go-to investment for those seeking broader market exposure. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $526.10 and $503.75. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and thus far, the ETF has appreciated by 18.24%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 47 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $499.10 and $465.52. There is an inherent risk involved when an exchange-traded fund tests a support level, as breaking this could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $499.10. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $465.52 and $463.56. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the past day, the fund moved $3.14 between its high and low, which constitutes approximately 0.583%. Throughout the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $546.33. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could present a good opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $499.10. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $524.06, representing a decrease of 2.96%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, resulting in a medium risk profile. The relative strength index over the last 14 days stands at 86, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 25 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Despite the ETF being in a declining trend, several short-term indicators are positive. This suggests that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 15th of May, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by approximately 13 cents, starting at $539.90. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day on behalf of everyone here at StockInvest.